Hey there, gearheads. Today, we're tackling head gasket leaks head-on with the top 5 best head gasket sealers on the market. Whether you're a seasoned dyer or a newbie under the hood, these sealers are sure to come to the rescue. Let's dive in. The K&W 401232 Permanent Head Gasket and Block Repair with Nanotechnology is a product designed to address leaks in engine blocks and heads by utilizing nanotechnology. It promises a permanent solution by filling cracks and crevices that other products might not reach. This repair solution comes in a 32 fluid ounces bottle, offering a significant amount for multiple applications. However, its effectiveness is not guaranteed, and successful application may require technical knowledge. While the product offers the potential for a permanent fix, it's essential to note that it might not work in all cases. Users should approach its application with caution and consider seeking professional assistance for complex leaks or if they lack experience in engine repairs. Overall, the K&W 401232 Permanent Head Gasket and Block Repair with Nanotechnology could be an option for individuals comfortable with DIY repairs and willing to take on the challenge. However, those unsure of the process or dealing with severe leaks might find professional repair services to be a safer choice. The K-Seal ST3501 Pour and Go Coolant Leak Repair product offers a simple and convenient solution for addressing blown head gaskets, cracked heads, and blocks. It emphasizes easy application with its Just Pour and Go process and claims to provide a permanent fix, potentially saving users money on expensive repairs. While it highlights scientifically tested performance according to ASTM D3147 standards, there are potential concerns regarding its effectiveness. Some users have reported that leaks may persist, particularly in overpressurized systems. It's important to note that while K-Seal ST3501 Pour and Go may seem like a convenient solution, it's crucial to consult a mechanic before using it for head gasket or block repairs. These are complex issues that require proper diagnosis and repair techniques. Overall, K-Seal ST3501 Pour and Go could be considered by DIY enthusiasts comfortable with troubleshooting car repairs. However, its effectiveness and long-term durability may vary, and consulting a mechanic for expert advice is highly recommended before relying solely on this product for critical engine repairs. The Calamex K-Seal Ultimate Head Gasket Repair is designed to provide a potentially permanent solution for leaks in head gaskets, cracked heads, and porous engine blocks. It comes in a 472 milliliters bottle, typically sufficient for most cars, SUVs, and small trucks, although larger engines may require 2 bottles. Key features include its ability to repair leaks up to 0.635 millimeters in size, thanks to ceramic microfibers that migrate towards the leak for targeted repair. Once applied, it cures to create a long-lasting fix. Pros of this product include its potential for offering a permanent solution to head gasket leaks, ease of use, and cost-effectiveness compared to professional repairs. Additionally, a larger size is available for bigger engines. However, it's important to note that this product is not a guaranteed fix, and professional repairs might still be necessary for major leaks. Improper use could potentially lead to coolant passage clogging. Overall, the Calamex K-Seal Ultimate Head Gasket Repair presents a convenient and potentially cost-effective option for addressing minor head gasket leaks. However, users should carefully follow instructions and monitor the cooling system post-application. Consulting a mechanic is advisable for severe leaks or if there are uncertainties about using this product. Blue Devil Pour and Go Head Gasket Sealer offers a convenient and user-friendly solution for sealing leaks in head gaskets, warped heads, heater cores, and freeze plugs in various gasoline and diesel engines. Its pour-and-go formula requires no special tools or skills, making it accessible for DIY repairs. One of its key features is its promise of a permanent seal, addressing leaks for the long term. Additionally, it boasts compatibility with both gasoline and diesel engines, enhancing its versatility. The sealer is safe to use, containing no clogging particles and bonding securely without harming the engine. However, there's a potential risk of improper application leading to further engine problems, so it's crucial to follow the instructions carefully. Overall, Blue Devil Pour-and-Go Head Gasket Sealer can be a suitable option for addressing minor leaks, especially for those comfortable with DIY solutions. However, for more severe head gasket issues or for a guaranteed professional repair, consulting a mechanic is highly recommended. It's important to remember that while this product promises a permanent fix, it may not be suitable for all head gasket failures, and professional assistance may be necessary in some cases. Blue Devil Head Gasket Sealer provides a user-friendly solution for addressing head gasket leaks, warped heads, and other engine issues in both gasoline and diesel engines. Its easy application process requires no special tools or skills, potentially saving on repair costs by avoiding professional services. The sealer is designed for a permanent leak seal and is safe for the engine, containing no clogging particles. It offers compatibility with a wide range of engines, enhancing its versatility and usability. However, while Blue Devil Head Gasket Sealer can be a convenient option for DIY car maintenance enthusiasts, its effectiveness for achieving a permanent repair may vary depending on the severity of the issue. In some cases, professional attention may still be required for more severe leaks or underlying problems. Overall, Blue Devil Head Gasket Sealer presents a convenient and potentially cost-effective solution for minor engine leaks, but it's important to manage expectations regarding its effectiveness for permanent repair. The top 5 best head gasket sealers to rescue your engine from leaks. Which one will you choose for your DIY repair project? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive tips and DIY tricks. Until next time, happy wrenching!